How to sign in to Starbucks on the website. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Starbucks and click on Sign In at the top right. After you click on Sign In at the top right, it will lead you to this page. Here, simply click on Email Address and add your email address. After you have added your email address, at the bottom, you'll find Password. Type in your password and you can click on Keep Me Signed In. After that, press on Sign In. After you have pressed on Sign In, you will be signed in to your Starbucks account. You can scroll through it and order from the website as well. And this is how to sign in to Starbucks on the website. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.